So instead of just buying a purple panda again for my microphone, I've had two. They're expensive. They're really good quality though, and but they come with a TRRS, and then you got to convert them to a TRS to work in the GoPro 12. So it's a pain, and then you got like cables and cables in your headset. So instead of just doing that, I thought I would just try a cheap microphone from Temu just in the interim. So I went and I bought lots of these things just to see if any of them are any good, and I thought I'd give them a go. I mean, they're cheap as chips, $1 or $2 US or $2 to $3 New Zealand. How can you go wrong, right? But also, how bad can they be? I don't need anything fancy. It's just motovlogging. By the way, all I need is to be able to hear myself when I play back, so I know what I'm talking about. So I thought I'd give one a go, or give them all a go, but I'll stop as soon as I find one that's acceptable and just go from there. So who knows? We'll give it a go, we'll see what it's like, and if it's good enough, jeepers, saved a lot of money. Okay, so this is test one. This is the first microphone from Temu, cheap. It's tucked into my cheek pad to see if that affects the wind noise, and my visor is open. I'll have it open and closed, and I'll compare this to all the other ones and see how we go. Hopefully it's acceptable. So I'm just going to do a quick spin. I'll do the same route for them all. Alright, visor is open. I'll take it up to say 80 k's an hour with visor on, keep talking, and then I will visor down and go to 80 k's and see. Anyway, so visor is still open, now visor is closed. I don't have any scarf. Normally the scarf cuts out the sound coming from underneath the chin, so we'll see if that's necessary or not. Man, it's good to be riding my bike. I haven't ridden Ninja in a while. It's all been Harley Davidson, so cool. 77, 78, 79, 80. Okay, I'm doing 80 with the visor down. I'll take a right hand turn here, raise the visor, see what things sound like. Alright, visor is now open. Okay, we're at 80, roughly 80 k's talking with the visor open. What does it sound like? It's 90. And I'll do a little right hand turn over here and head back to the garage and see. Visor down. Okay, I'll be honest, I'm really surprised. That was actually pretty damn good for $2, $3. So much so I'm not going to bother testing these. I'll just stick them in the cupboard and wait for the other one to break again. What a joy. Look, they're not fantastic, but I have lots of audio enhancement features in Premiere Pro if I need to turn them on. And I guess the only other test I'm going to make is stick it into the Harley Davidson, which is a much louder engine and often clicks and clatters. I think I may have solved it by sticking the boom in its foam inside the cheek of the padding. So it doesn't move around, it's not in front of me, it's not attached to anything hard. So hopefully that'll solve the Harley Davidson clicking noises. But jeepers, I'm sold. I'm keeping this.